So what is it that you guys are doing?
We were wrapping presents.
For who?
For
For me?
Yeah.
You bought me this many presents?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm the luckiest mom ever.
And here.
Don't tell me.
There. What?
Don't tell me what it is. It's a surprise, right?
But you can't tell Mom.
It's a surprise. Don't tell me. No, Claire. Put it under the tree.
Hey, Mom, doesn't this look funny?
Yep. I'll find out what it is in a few days.
Yep.
Be careful of the gifts that are under there, okay, Claire?
I have you, Belle. We also got to go out for lunch at Burger King.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I accidentally wrote Tuesday. It's supposed to be
Okay.
So,
Well, we'll remember when we open presents in a few days, okay? Claire, are you going to finish putting your presents under the tree?
This one is fancy.
Okay.
Isn't it? Okay.
Oh, yeah, very. Claire, finish putting your presents under the tree, sweetie.
Oh, this one is... This present is cool, Mom.
Okay.
I'm not going to tell you, but I'm telling you it's cool.
Okay. I cannot wait to see them. I'm so excited.
This one is squishy.
Okay.
Yes, it's handled. Yeah.
Oh, Claire, you're not supposed to tell me.
Yeah, this is kind of squishy.
Okay.
It's like I bought you a top. This one is
Okay,
not
Claire.
squishy.
Claire, don't tell me what anything else is, okay?
Okay.
They're all surprises, okay, Claire? You have to wait. No, don't tell me what it is. Just put it under the tree.
Oh, I know what this is. I'm not telling you.
No, quit telling me what they are. I don't want to know. I want to be surprised when we open them.
No.
Don't.
Hey, try to cover it up.
Okay, well, that's probably a good thing. We don't need to have any more gifts slip out.
Yeah, Claire, you can't tell people what their gifts are because if you do, they can't open that gift. And then guess what, Claire? They'll be sad.
No, Claire, don't tell me. Just put it under the tree.
This one is ripped. You can see a little.
It's okay. I won't look. Put it under the tree. I promise I will not peek.
This is a tiny one.
Now there's so many gifts underneath there, Belle won't be able to get in there anymore. That's good.
Yeah. Claire, where's the spot over there? I don't know what. Okay, me too. I'm just going to put my bag on there. I'm thinking I should do the snowman.